You got this.
Departing Cedar Mills, yeah, I got it. The runway Maka.
Yep.
Okay, run up checklist is
Raymond,
complete. We're gonna back taxi here. Just finished up.
Coming on out, but I guess not.
Yeah, we're clear. Just finished up the Cedar Mills splash in.
Okay, hey Raymond, you want me to go ahead and cross to the run-up area? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, I'm waiting for Travis, he's coming this way.
Try and taxi past all these people. Okay, so the run-up's done. All we need to do is turn and burn down here when we have clearance. Flaps are set. All we need to do is go mixture rich and close your window.
Yep.
We'll hold short here while you take off. You can come on up if you want. Roger that, we'll just pull over then. Roger, okay.
A little bit soft right there. Oh, real soft right there.
Cedar Mills, Cessna 8684 Golf, 1 mile from the north. I'll cross over midfield, join the downwind, left downwind for runway 17, Cedar Mills.
Cedar Mills traffic, Cessna 7999.
17?
Foxtrot is taking off on 07. Head due east. You guys, see you later.
Okay, you're buckled. We're just waiting on the mixture and window.
Yep. And maybe traffic?
Maybe. Said he's going to enter the pattern.
Cedar Mills traffic, Cherokee 25 X-ray, a flight of 2 departing 07 left turnout northwest bound, Cedar Mills.
Kind of weird not being number 1 for a change, you know?
Yeah.
See there where they're going back behind us.
Yep. I got the traffic.
Going to use all the available runway. Yeah, we're going to use some runway.
Trying to get skinny.
Okay, think light thoughts.
Cedar Mills traffic, Cessna 8684 Golf final, runway 7.
Here's Rich. Here we
Full
go.
stop, Cedar Mills.
Okay, airspeed's looking good, tack looks good, pressure looks good. Continue. Keep hitting ground effect. Build up some airspeed. There we go.
Cedar Mills traffic, Cessna 8684 Golf final, runway 7, Cedar Mills.
Well, we're definitely clear of obstacles, so we'll get some flaps out of here.
Out.
Okay, flaps up. Turn a little bit more on course. Got our traffic to follow out here.
That's what I'm looking for. Got him.
These boats out here are like, what's going on over there?
All these planes.
Cedar Mills traffic, Cessna 868. Taking the active, back taxiing on the active, Cedar Mills.
Ardmore, downtown, executive, airport.
Automatic weather observation. 2136 Zulu. Weather, wind 19er. 0 at 9er. Gusts 15. Visibility 108,500. Scattered. Temperature 33.
Well, that was a fun, I would say weekend, but not really a weekend.
Fun night and
One
day.
night. Yeah. Probably a good idea to get out of here before severe storms roll in. Definitely don't want the airplane outside for that.
Nope.
Do you see our tall tower out here? We're not going to hit it, but I usually like to get it in sight.
To have
Right
eyes
there.
on it.
In sight. 2 o'clock. Thing is still above us.
Northwest of...
Yep, I got it.
Well, as expected, it's not smooth. But at least we had a good night of camping, some good safety seminars, some good food.
Yep.
Some alright people. Got a pretty good build up right there.
Yep.
Getting bigger.
Thompson traffic, Skyhawk 879er, left downwind 17, Thompson.
Okay, mixture's rich, fuel's active out both, trim set, lights on. You're still
I'm
buckled?
buckled, yep.
Looks like nobody on the runway. We'll start slowing this beast down. I'll give you this. Thank you.
Okay.
Pretty clear here though.
Yeah.
Thompson traffic, Skyhawk 879er, left base 17, Thompson.
And there's Betty. Angry as always.
A distraction. Nicely done.
Better than the last one.
Yes. I approve.
Looks kind of cool from down here.
Yeah. All the white fluffies.
We officially beat the weather home. Oh, we have to get the truck out of the hangar.
Yep.
And we're back.